Let me quickly show you how to edit and turn that ugly photo from this to this with CapCut. Without wasting our time, open your CapCut. Import a desired picture. Tap on the picture and swipe left. Tap on Retouch. Then tap on Face icon. Swipe left to find the smooth icon. Apply smooth slightly, then swipe right and tap on plump icon. Plump fader will add more flesh to your face and also remove bad spots on your face. After applying plump, use Event Slider to create freshness. Feel free to play around the sliders until you're pleased with it. After you have done with your face editing, now it's time to whitening your teeth. Click on White Teeth icon. Feel free to move its slider how you want it. After you're finished with your editing, you might want to apply some filters to it. I used 8000 filter to this photo to give it clarity. After adding your final filter to your photo, click on the picture and go to Retouch again. Then click on Makeup. Here, you might love to apply lipstick. Just check around and find one that fit best. Adjust the amount with the slider. I also use an eyebrow. There must be one to use to match your editing. After everything, this is my final edit. Now, export. Then go to your phone gallery. It has to be a 4 seconds video. Just take a screenshot of it. Boom. Use your photo anytime, anywhere. If you find this video helpful, subscribe now for more CapCut tutorial videos.